Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, the other day, when we had the live class on the Google Meet, we studied about the preposition. So, the lesson 9 of your book is about the preposition. So, we finished up to this the umbrella. You see the last sentence, right side of the right box. The umbrella is in her hand. So, this up to this we had finished. Today, we'll go to the next slide. Next slide. So look at the picture here. You can see the ants. Okay, see here ants. This is one ant. Here another ant. So like that there are one, two, three. Okay, three, four, five. There are five ants. So you can see this picture, and here is a mite. Okay, you can see the mite here. Okay, this is the mite. Then you can see the fruit basket here. All right, you can see the fruit basket here down. Then you can see the sweet corn here down. Okay, so there are a lot of things here in this picture. You can see here, you can see the cheese. uh, then you can see the plate here. All right, and you can see the bread sandwich here on the dining table. On the top you can see. All right, children, so this is the picture you can see. Now we are going to observe this and see whether we can find any preposition. Okay, so see the bottom line, left side box. The ants are on the mat. See here, the ants are on the mat. So here is the mat. Okay, so here is the mat. Here is the mat. On the mat, these ants are there. Okay, see the ants here. Next sentence. A basket is near the ants. Okay, near. See here is the, you can see the words in bold letter. Okay, the a basket is near the ants. All right, so this is the fruit basket. This is the fruit basket. You can see this basket is near the ants. All right, next, the fruits are in the basket. Okay, the fruits, you can see the fruits in the basket. These are the fruits. Okay, you can see here apple, orange, so like that. So the fruits are in the basket. Next, right side box. The bread is on the table. You can see the bread here. Okay, bread sandwich you can see on the table. On the table, where it is on the table. This is the table. Next sentence, the ants are sitting around the plate. Okay, see this is the plate. You can see. Okay, as I am marking, you can see. Okay, so this is the plate, and these ants are sitting around. Okay, here one ant, here one ant, here another ant, here another ant, here another ant. Okay, so see this. See, these ants are sitting around the plate. Next, the last line, right side box. The sweet corn is beside the basket. Here is the fruit basket, and here is the sweet corn. So where is the sweet corn? The sweet corn is beside. Okay, beside the basket. So dear children, now you must have already understood what is a preposition. These are the prepositions with bold letter: on, near, in, on, around, and here beside. Okay, these are the prepositions. Now in the next slide we are going to learn what is a preposition. What do they tell us? Okay, here on the top right, see what is written here. What is a preposition? We are going to learn now what is a preposition. A preposition is a word which tells us the position of a noun. See, position here, preposition, position. Already here there is in the word itself. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which tells us the position of a noun, or a preposition tells us where something or someone is. Okay, so what here? Preposition tells us the position of a noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. Name of what? Name of person, place, thing, bird, and animal. So where the bird, animal, person, place, or thing is, who tells us? Preposition tells us. Okay, so then preposition is a word which tells us the position of a noun, or preposition tells us where something or someone is, or the where the noun is. Okay, the following examples will make us clear. Example 1, the book is on the table. Which is the preposition here? The preposition here is on. All right, so the preposition here is on with bold letter. Now this preposition on is telling us, this gives us the indication where the book is. Which is the noun? Book is the noun. Of course table also is noun, but this preposition on tells us where the book is. Where is the book? The book is on the table. See, this is the table here. Okay, this is the table, and this is book. So where is the book? This book is on the table. Okay, next example, the girl is hiding under the table. All right, so the preposition here is under. This under tells us where the little girl is hiding. This little girl is hiding. This is the table. Okay, this is the table, and under the table, see, the little girl is hiding. The girl is hiding under the table. So this under tells us where the girl is. The cow is grazing in the field. All right, the cow is grazing in the field. Where is the cow grazing? The cow is grazing in the field. This is the field, and this is the cow, and the cow is grazing in the field. This is here in the field. Good. Next, the aeroplane. Okay, the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. See, look at the aeroplane here if you are able to see. Okay, this is the aeroplane, and where is it flying? It is flying above. Below here, down is the cloud. Okay, here is the cloud, and the aeroplane is flying above the clouds. So dear children, this is what preposition is. It tells us where the where something or someone is, or it tells us the position. Okay, the position of a noun. So these are only a few prepositions about which I taught you here in the video tutorial. In the next slide we will learn some more prepositions. Okay, here some of the prepositions are, okay, some of the prepositions are down here. In, okay, I am in the room. On, the vase is on the table. At, I was at the airport when he called me. This mostly is used when we are talking about the proper location. 2, I am going to school. From, he fell down from the terrace. Okay, these are the prepositions. Please remember. Under, the ball is under the bed. About under we talked before. Near, the house is near the road. Behind, Rabi is standing behind his mother. Uh, behind meaning in Odia we call it pochore. Yeah, in Hindi we call it piche. Rabi is standing behind his mother, meaning रवि अपनी माँ के पीछे खड़ा है. Okay, next, above. Okay, above means up. With that, about this we talked in the example before. The lamp is hanging above the dining table. Okay, the lamp is hanging above means it is hanging up above the dining table. Next, between, the boy is sitting between his sisters. Between means in between. Like here is one. Okay, I'm just making it like this. Here one, here another, and here one more. Okay, for example. So then here is one boy Okay, here is a sister, here is sister, here is one more sister, and in between, this is between. Okay, in between, so boy is sitting between his sisters. Okay, this is one sister, this is another sister, and this boy is sitting or standing in between. This is called between. Okay, so good then, dear children. Thank you so much. This is how prepositions can be defined or explained. Preposition is a word which tells us the position of a noun, or it tells us where someone or something is. Okay, so good. Thank you so much. Have a good day.